Hi, this is Josh Sears. I'm the creator of MapifyPro, and I wanted to go over a very quick overview of the product itself and just a very basic workflow that I feel works to get your map up and running in just a matter of minutes. And it's really a good way to get familiar with the overall flow of creating a map and adding locations. So we're just going to dive right in. As you'll see, after you install the app, you'll see this home screen, which contains everything you need to create your maps. It's broken down into the maps, the location tags, and the batch upload. And a quick overview of those are covered in the help text to the right, which will serve as a reminder as to what each section takes care of. And then of course we have some more help text down here and very quick links to this video, of course. The in-depth documentation is where you're going to want to go if you need really fine details. It covers every aspect of every feature, what it does. The FAQ also covers some common concerns that people run into as far as how you set it up for specific countries and kind of optimizing it for each specific use, because everyone's installation is different, of course. So diving right into the workflow, a very quick suggestion is that you always start by creating your maps. You can create as many as you need. So if you have 2 or 3 unique maps, I suggest go ahead and creating them and each of their individual settings first. So you'll click on Maps first. That's number 1. Number 2, of course, would seem to be locations, but I actually suggest going to location tags. Location tags are the filters used on the front end map for sorting location. So when a visitor visits your map, they will be able to select these filters from a drop-down menu. Every location that was tagged are what will show on the map after that filter is selected. So for example, say you have restaurants and coffee shops on your map. I select coffee shops from the filter menu, and only the coffee shop locations will show on the map. So very straightforward and simple there. After you create the location tags, it makes those tags available for the locations. So once again, create a map, add all of your filters that you want available on your map or maps, and then you're going to go to locations. Locations, of course, are just adding each unique location to your map. So now in this scenario, we've already created the maps, already created the location filters. So if you do it in that order, it just presents a more optimized workflow. So summarize again, create your map, create all location filters and the tags, then add the locations to the maps. Then the final step is you will return to the map screen. In this example, I have multiple maps. So I'm going to go into the map that I am currently going to publish. Now that I've added all locations and everything set up, I'm going to scroll way down to the bottom and you're going to find this embed code. The embed code is a unique code to each map. So I will copy this script, place it in an HTML field or on a new page in my site, and the map that I've set up with all the locations I've added to that map will be displayed. So in our example on the front end map, I'll kind of show where these translate. These are the filters I've set up for the map, accessed through the location tags setting. If I select one, in this case brewpubs, it will only show those locations tagged with brewpubs. The filters also work down here the same way, and I've used an embed code on my home page to present this specific map, which contains its own unique locations and filter settings. That's been a quick overview of a general workflow that I suggest using to get you up and running in just a matter of minutes. I think you'll find it's a really great workflow in getting your map up and running in the fastest time possible.